Hello, am I calling the Sony's attention line?
Yes, thanks for calling PlayStation Customer Service. My name is José. How can I help you today?
Hi, good evening. Today I have a inconvenience with my PlayStation 5.
Could you hang up the phone and come to the Sony office to check your device manually?
Asterisco, the client flew epically to the offices. Asterisco.
PlayStation service. Hi, I am here now. I was the one who calls like 5 minutes ago.
Welcome. We're waiting for you. So, can you describe your problem with your PS5?
Hi, it all happened this morning when I was playing on my PlayStation, like any other day, when the LEDs on the console turned red and it started screaming, self-destruction mode on, and turned on fire. So my poor Guinea Pig, who was next to him, came out flying in parts, dying instantly. Look at this.
Oh. Okay, so you need a new Guinea Pig or a new PS5. We have insurance that covers the loss of Guinea Pigs, by the way.
You are saying my Guinea Pig is irreplaceable?
Yeah,
Asterisco, crying silence. Asterisco.
that's exactly what I'm trying to say. So, do you want a new PS5 or the Guinea Pig?
I don't want to talk to you. Please, bring your supervisor.
Okay, why not? It's already my break time. Have fun.
Asterisco, the supervisor who isn't the worker with nose. Get into the scene. Asterisco.
Hello, good afternoon. Sorry for the attitude of an employee. Could your console allow me to verify what the problem was?
Yes.
Asterisco, the supervisor check the PS5. Asterisco.
It has a short circuit that damages the electrical circuit of the motherboard. Cause the Guinea Pig makes peace inside the PS5. As the warranty does not cover it, the best I can do is give you an Xbox 360. Well, give me a second to give your...
Oh no. Oh no.
There you go.
Oh no.
Take the Xbox.
Oh no.
There you go, the combat song. Now
Oh,
get out.
no. Damn! Guinea Pig son of a...
Asterisco, outro. Asterisco, música épica. Hermanito, púchale play.
Resplandece.